Hello everyone, and welcome to the Blue Collar Gentleman. Are you a morning person? It may surprise the other 10 people with whom I live and who watch me get up at 5 a.m. every day, but I am not actually much of a morning person. It takes me a long time to accept the fact that I have to start my day, and because I know that, I allow myself plenty of time in the morning to get going. Something else I do to increase free time and decrease mental demands is put together tomorrow's work outfit once the workday is over. I put on casual clothes as soon as I get home, so since I'm already digging into my closet and drawers, it kind of makes sense just to get tomorrow's outfit assembled. First, I pair pants with shirt and then figure out which sports coat combines properly. Once those basic elements are pieced together, I decide on tie and pocket square combinations. Then I grab shoes that match with the trousers and find a pair of socks tying the two together. By doing this right after I get home, I'm not pressed for time. That means I'm not throwing together poorly matched pieces, and I'm not resorting to the same items over and over again. It's very important to rotate your entire wardrobe to ensure equal wear on your clothing. I live in the desert, so I have no choice but to give my socks, shoes, and slacks a full 24 hours of airing out before again wearing them. Travel being about the only exception I make to this rule. If you lay out the outfit you assembled last night once more before dressing, you can double check yourself. Are you still happy with the pants and jacket combination? Is that really the best pocket square for that tie? It's also an opportunity to ask a spouse or roommate what they think. Opinions given when people are rushed for time are statistically more honest, so maybe ask them as you're saying your final goodbyes. And there you have it. Blue-collar values, gentlemanly standards. Take pride in what you do and always try to do better. Topher.